In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore an Elementor page efficiently. We'll break down each step, ensuring your page is back to its original state without any stress or hassle. Whether you're fixing a mistake or need to revert to an earlier version, these instructions have you covered. First, navigate to the WordPress dashboard. Once you're in, you'll see the menu on the left-hand side. You're going to want to hover over Pages and then click All Pages from the drop-down menu. This will bring you to a list of all the pages you've created on your site. Here, you'll be able to find the specific page that you're looking to restore. Next, identify the page that needs restoring and hover over its title. When you do this, you should see several options appear beneath it. Click on Edit with Elementor. This action will open up the Elementor editor interface, where you can make the necessary changes or undo them to revert to a previous version. Now that you're in the Elementor editor, look for the History panel. This can usually be found by clicking on the icon that looks like three horizontal lines stacked on top of one another, located in the bottom left corner of your screen. Once the panel is open, it will display a list of all the actions taken on this page. Here's the important part: scroll through the history and look for the timestamped entries that indicate changes made to your page. They will often correspond to actions categorized by each session. By selecting a specific entry, you will see how the page looked at that point in time on the right-hand side. This way, you can preview previous versions and find the one that you need. Once you find the version you'd like to restore, simply click on it. The editor will instantly revert your page to that state, allowing you to ensure everything looks just right. If you're happy with the changes, don't forget to click the Update button at the bottom of the Elementor panel. This step is crucial, as it will save the restored version to your live site, making those changes visible to your visitors. A handy tip is to always perform a final check to ensure that all essential elements, such as forms, buttons, and links, are working correctly after restoring your page. This ensures that everything functions seamlessly from the visitor's perspective. That's all there is to it. You've successfully restored your Elementor page and can now focus on further enhancing your site. Remember, this process can be repeated whenever you need to revert changes, giving you flexibility and peace of mind when designing with Elementor. Thanks for watching, and happy editing!